Hello everyone. Coming back to Python programming hands-on. In the last class we discussed OS module of the Python. Now we are discussing hands-on execution of the OS module programs. Now we'll open PyCharm software now. Okay, now open. Okay, now copy the program. Paste. Okay, we now try to execute the program. C. C. Yeah, this is the current working directory. So I think we are working with this programs. So see here, this current working directory we can see. This is a current working directory. Now create directory. So how we can create directory? Just copy paste this program. Just remove this one. Now we are getting some error, right? So I think here one more slash we required. Yeah. Yes. So we are creating a directory name is called Python program. Now we are creating a one subdirectory Python program sub, which is in the Python programs. Okay, now we'll try to execute it. Now we'll just open the program, and in this folder, just see here Python program sub. Yeah, this is a directory is created using that program. Now, yeah, now third program is listing out the files and directories in the path. Just see, copy and just paste here. Yeah, here double slash. Okay, see, yeah, list is actually one already keyword is there, right? List one, you can give name as list one. Yeah, now try to execute the program. See, we'll get the list of the all the files are there. See, what are the existing files, comments, copy one, data types. So all these files are we are getting in the form of list. Now we'll try to execute the fourth program, delete the directory. Now the same path, same, this is the same file I want to delete, which is created earlier. Now I am going to delete it. Just see, copy the program and I'll open it and paste it. So here double slash. Okay, now try to execute the program. So we are getting some error actually. We are getting error in the line number 7. It's not accessing. This line number 7 is not accessing. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll see another syntax. Os dot rmdir. Okay, os dot rmdir. Yeah. Now try to execute the program. Yes. Now we'll see. I think we are deleting this same file. Yeah, see, the file is deleted. The file which is Python program sub that is previously there, now it is deleted. Yes. Now we'll try to execute the fifth program. File is existed or not. Okay, we'll just copy the program and try to execute it. Okay, see, let us say we have to create the file name. Let us say copy1 is the file name, copy1.py. copy1.py. So I think it is must be true, right? Okay, false. How it will be false? Okay, try to print current working directory, then we can understand. Os dot get current working directory. Just try to see. Yeah, current working directory is this one now. Okay. Yeah. So I think we must give the path so that we can understand. Okay. So try to get the path from this. Copy this. Copy and give here path so that yeah, we can understand more. See, so current working directory will be different, but this will be work on this path only. Okay, yes, this is true. So in this path, this copy1 is there, yes or no, right? In the path you can see the copy1.py is there, right? So next is a, yeah, yeah, this is we are getting true, yes. So we understood that this particular file is there here in the in this uh, in this path. So we need to give this total path so that we can understand whether that one is there in the path. So no need of discussing this one. So we are just confusing here. So yes. So try to understand this one is this is different. So we don't want. Now try to execute it. Yeah, this is true. So in this path, this particular file is there. Okay, right? Now we'll try to execute next program. Okay, change directory. Okay, so how we can change directory? Copy. So now see, the previously what we got is get CWD, the current working directory is different, right? So I think before, now we'll try to execute the program. See, the before this is a current working directory. Now after that, the current working directory is C colon. So this way we can do some required OS related operation using the Python program. The hope you understand. Thank you.